Rothko is famous for making painting after painting after painting after painting of rectangles, all different colors. These were quite large, and he wanted to have people feel different emotions through the colors that he chose. Sometimes he wanted people to break down and cry in front of his work. Other times, he wanted them to feel incredible joy. But what he demonstrated that we can use is how colors change the way viewers experience artwork. Before we begin our painting, we're going to plan out our colors. You'll get a handout and start by drawing 4 quick sketches of your drawing. Plain circles are fine, no details. Then we're going to paint each quick sketch different colors. Start with the first one, paint the background, then paint the different shape colors that you might consider painting your animal. When you're done with the first one, move on to the next and try to choose different types of colors. If you used normal colors, then try out unusual colors. You're brainstorming. When you've done all 4, they're all going to feel a little different because of the colors you used, but you'll choose the one that fits your idea of your final image the best. Then you can move on to the painting. Now, when painting your artwork, choose a rather large brush. We're going to start by painting the background because it's the largest area to cover with paint. Look at your color sketch and mix the color that you decided on for your background. Cover the entire background, making sure there is no paper showing. Once the background is covered, you can move on to your animal and the other shapes. Again, check your color sketch, then paint the shapes the colors that you chose. One nice thing about painting the background first is when we go in to paint our shapes, we can run our brush around the edges and make a nice, smooth line dividing the background from the foreground. We're still not worried about details. We'll go back in for details soon. But today's for figuring out what colors would work best for how we want our work to be viewed, and then to put down the foundation for our detail work. By the end of this class, try to have your whole paper covered in paint. You can use a large brush so this goes faster, and you don't have to be super neat because we're going to go back into this piece and work on those details. You're mostly concerned with getting the right colors in the right places.